Hey guys, it's Cam. Gonna do this one little thing that I did when I was bored. Hope you like it.
Now, Finn, vibrate your uvula by dampening and undampening your larynx.
What?
Go like this, silly.
Oh.
Okay. Jake, are you gonna join in?
Wait, let me move this chair quick.
Everyone, stick to my blueprint.
One more time?
I may have, miscalculated.
Ha! Looks like you were as perfect as you thought. Guess you can't judge me anymore.
I never said you had to be perfect.
All right. Princess, wait! Whatever.
I'm out of here.
That's it. See you guys later.
Queen?